Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Dodge Ram with a key. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, insert your key completely into the ignition cylinder. Once the key is fully seated, turn it clockwise to the start position. Hold it there briefly until the engine catches, then release the key, allowing it to return to the run position. This simple process gets you on the road quickly. Sometimes your RAM might not start immediately. If you encounter an issue, first check your battery terminals. Ensure they are clean and securely connected. Next, confirm you are using the correct key for your vehicle. An incorrect key won't work. If you hear a rapid clicking sound but no engine turnover, it could indicate a low battery or a starter issue. These quick checks can often resolve minor starting problems. For those trickier situations, a few advanced tips can help. If your key won't turn, try gently wiggling the steering wheel while turning the key. This can release a locked steering column. For automatic transmissions, always ensure the brake pedal is fully depressed before attempting to start. If your primary key is old or damaged, using a spare key might resolve intermittent starting problems, as worn keys can sometimes be difficult for the ignition to read. Modern Dodge Rams often use key fobs. If your remote functions aren't working, try replacing the key fob battery. It's a common fix. For vehicles with push-button start, there's usually an override where you can hold the key fob directly against the start button if the fob battery is low. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books wherever you go, making every journey more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.